Alright, well, we just got back from the parts store. It's the first day of spring. Nate's eating wings. We've got some new rotors. We've got bearings, bearing grease, calipers, pads. We just got it jacked up off the ground. The tire was flat when we got out here, but all the lug nuts are still tight. And go over to the driver's side now.
Jesus.
That's bad.
And a lot of transmission fluid.
It seems like the less we drive it, the worse it gets. It didn't leak any fluid when we drove it.
She just likes to be drove.
Alright, well, we got to go back to the parts store and get a nut. So.
Yeah, we didn't get the spindle.
Yeah. Alright. Nate's going to finish his wings and we're going to get to it.
Too much wings.
So, we jacked it up off the ground before we broke the nuts loose, but our little puny...
You had some hunch that you could get them off because they were loose or something.
Well, I had a hunch that we could just hold the brakes while the other guy did it, and there's no front brakes. So now we're just taking turns. Except we're not taking turns.
I know why you forgot that, because you don't drive it. Jesus.
Alright, let's just get this thing on the ground.
I could do everything the hard way, don't
There
you,
you go.
Sean?
There you go. I'll let you hold that. Oh no, they're gonna see our wood block. We believe in safety here.
Sean's all about doing things twice just to make sure it's done right.
Oh yeah.
I like the nail that's sticking out of the piece of wood.
I know, right? It was the only like short piece. I didn't want to come over here with like an 8-foot piece of wood.
That's from our fence that fell down.
We're also carpenters.
We won't show you the fence though. A little bit further. A little bit more. I think it's all held on with that one lug nut.
Probably. Alright. What do you think the calipers look like? Look at the back side of that. Oh my god. Flip around the back of that. I don't know if they can see that, but there's no other half.
It's a one-sided rotor.
One-sided.
75
Very common
special.
in the 70s. Who spray painted these brakes?
Make them stick better.
No lines are cut. That's all still hooked up. They didn't have a socket big enough for us, so...
Roadkill.
Roadkill. Turn it, there it goes. I think it's going. That or it's turning the rotor.
I think it's doing both.
Oh, it's turning. There we go. I've got mine off over here.
You started before me.
I sure did. I'm gonna have to use that bed blow to knock that off. Give him hail, Jimmy Dale. Woo! Oh. Okay, Nate, what did we accomplish today?
We found another leak.
Multiple leaks.
We didn't get anything done.
Yeah, we didn't. Literally nothing.
and ready.
I think at least more. Look at that, the size of a pond down there. It's like
add some koi later. Be a nice little pond.
It will.
Nothing
It'll add to the value of our community. We're doing good deeds here.
We'll rather get a puller to get that thing off.
Here, I'll pump the brakes if you want to show them that.
Yeah. It's hard to see, but it's like right in there.
You can click the screen and it'll adjust.
Oh yeah, now you can really see. Yeah. Okay, we're not gonna have any brake fluid left. But we still have to bleed it anyways.
Dude, look at this, here we go. This thing. It's gonna go right here. If anyone's got a 4-barrel manifold.
That looks like a monster next to it.
I know, right? It's a 600. I don't even know what that is. Unless someone wants to tell us how to tune that thing to make it run right. We're putting a Holly on it.
It's running real rich. It's already a Holly.
Better Holly.
Uh-oh. Coming for you.
They put a stain in their yard?
They've been banging around. It's almost 7:30.
So,
We did get this side off though, but then we found out there's another bearing that needs replaced.
so,
I don't think the other side wiggles like that though.
we don't know. We don't even have that off.
Until next time, folks.
So, yeah, until then. We did nothing today.
You look like you did a lot though, Sean.
And that's the art. So just look dirty and you did good. That's all I do. I just sit there and I rub my hands all over everything so it looks like I did something.
Jax, come talk to the people. Come here. Come talk to them. They want to see the old pointer. He's on the hunt. All right.
All right, let's go inside.
First day of spring in the books.